Greetings everyone. Today we will take a look at monarchy versus democracy. Before we get ahead of the topic, let us discuss what is monarchy and what is democracy. Monarchy is a system of government ruled by a king or a queen, whereas democracy is a system in which the government of a country is elected by the people. List of countries under monarchy goes as follows. Commonwealth of Australia ruled by Queen Elizabeth II, Kingdom of Belgium under King Philip, Japan under Emperor Naruhito. You can also find the full list on Wikipedia. The list of democratic countries goes like this. India under central rule of BJP, Norway, Iceland, Sweden, etc. Advantages and disadvantages of monarchy. Well, it can be cheaper to run a monarchy. On the other hand, it is difficult to change the direction of the country which is under monarchy. Some smoother transfer of power, but supports local tax policies which can be decreased or increased as per the will of the ruler. It maintains a stronger defense but supports internal class discrimination, like we had black and white discrimination. Now let us move on to the advantages and disadvantages of democracy. Giving a chance to the people to personally get involved in the government, but which would not be effective unless the people are educated properly. Democracy does not create a centralized power source. It divides it amongst the equal halves. Thus, the government is smooth. So, there is no coagulated power in governance body. On the other hand, it requires a lot of time to implement the changes. Democracy grows faster economically as compared to the other forms of the government, while gridlocks becomes more frequent in this kind of system. Other aspect we can look into is, as an Indian citizen, we would be comfortable with democracy. Well, I am happy with the government and there is no hindrance in the functioning of any pillars, and absolutely there is no restriction on media, legislation, judiciary and executive. Under the monarch, there were many restrictions, like in old days when India was ruled by British, media was gravely forced to not to go against the British rule. But if we take a keen look, we can say some aspects of monarchy are being used in democracy, which is good, like forcing media not to take a peep into the army's work, so as to keep the privacy of any of the army plans. Because once they are telecasted on TV, this will lead to downfall of the complete nation. At the end, I would like to conclude that both the forms of the government, be it monarchy or be it democracy, are good, as it depends on your opinion what you choose. Thank you.